Carpet Blends Guide. Carpet blends are made up of 2 or more materials, which can give your home a unique look and feel. Plus, they're typically more durable than traditional carpets, making them a great option for high-traffic areas. It is most often the case that these will be wool nylon carpets, as these are the 2 most effective single-fiber carpets. To assist in reducing costs, manufacturers of carpeting often use wool and nylon blends. Some mixes are 80% to 20%, while others are 50-50. Many types of carpets even include 3 or more fibers, including wool 76%, nylon 19%, and viscose 5%. Check the label on the back of the carpet sample for the fiber content. What is the best blend of carpet? Wool nylon carpets are made of 80% wool and 20% nylon. Although wool is quite sturdy, nylon's resistance to abrasion allows it to outperform it slightly in terms of durability. As a result, combining a little bit of nylon into the mix will achieve the same level of performance as a 100% wool carpet. What is a wool blend carpet? It is a type of carpet made from a mixture of wool and synthetic fibers. The percentage of wool in the blend varies, but it is typically around 80%. Wool blend carpets are sometimes referred to as 80-20 wool since the majority of these blends are usually 80% wool and 20% synthetic alternative fiber. As a result, you might hear it called wool mix. 80-20 wool is the most popular carpet mixture, combining the advantages of wool with the durability of synthetic fibers. The presence of these synthetic fibers throughout the carpet can make cleaning easier. These mixtures frequently include a stain-resistant coating to improve their practicality. An 80-20 mix is cheaper than pure wool. It also offers a similar look and feel, and comes in a wider variety of colors and designs. Are carpet blends easy to clean? The different materials can have different cleaning requirements, and the fibers may not be compatible with each other. As a result, it is important to carefully read the care label before cleaning a carpet blend. In general, it is best to use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to remove dirt and debris from the carpets. For deeper cleaning, you may need to hire a professional carpet cleaner. Can carpet blends be steam cleaned? Carpet steam cleaning is a popular and effective way to clean carpet's blends. The high temperature of the steam loosens and lifts dirt, stains, and other debris from the fibers of the carpet. In addition, the steam helps to sanitize the carpet, killing bacteria and dust mites. However, some carpets, such as those made from natural fibers, can be damaged by the high heat of the steam. As a result, it is always best to consult with a professional before steam cleaning any type of carpet. If you're looking for a unique look for your home, consider a carpet blend. You can find the perfect combination for your space. Plus, as experts in all kinds of carpeting and their maintenance, our team at Go Carpet Cleaning is here to help keep your carpets looking their best with regular carpet cleaning. Contact us today to schedule a consultation or appointment. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-blends or call us at 678-818-5698.